Today we visited the O14 building in Dubai, which is also known as Dubai's Swiss cheese. We are going to analyze the overall lighting specifications and its structure in this video. It's an office tower in Dubai's Business Bay designed by RUR Architecture. It has 23 stories and it's 102 meters tall. The structure has a distinctive design and garnered several owners. The openings are categorized into 5 categories depending on their dimensions, and they differ from small to big. The main support system for this unusual building is the concrete outer shell, or in other words, folded exoskeleton. The external shell contains more than 1,300 circular openings of various sizes that are randomly organized to form a diagonal grid. There is no internal beams in the building, and it's fully supported by the folded exoskeleton. The building offers an assortment of offices and slopes with facilities like parking, security, elevators, fitness gym, and many dining options, but it's mainly commercial and a lot of offices and companies are located there. Let's take a look at the building's plan. In the center we have the core, and then we have the 4 shafts, and then we have the 2 emergency staircases. After that we have the outer layer, which is a butterfly geometry of the structure, which is also a diagram that protects the building from lateral forces that surrounds the core. This is basically the structure as well as the skin of the building. And then comes the original plan. The giant holes of the external shell aren't glazed. Rather, there is secondary glazing that spans between floors 1 meter behind the main facade. Originally, there was no gap between the exoskeleton and internal spaces, but detailing windows in the holes became shockingly complex. But this also has the benefit of allowing cool air to circulate between the 2 facades, creating an efficient passive cooling system. Since the architecture of the building is built in such a way, enough sufficient light goes into the interior. So in the early hours of the day, less artificial lights are needed. Thus, energy consumption is reduced by 30%. This is just one of the many innovation aspects of the building's design, which provides shadow against harsh desert sun and glare. The amount of natural light that comes through the large windows is equally distributed due to the circular-shaped facade. The light that passes through the internal windows acts like a circular beam of reflected light, which leads to many direct light spots inside the building, which is not too bright and would be perfect for the working environment.
Hi.